So, good morning, students. Today in this session, we are going to learn about area and perimeter. Children, in our previous class, I have explained you about area and perimeter and problems based on area and perimeter. And today in this lesson, I am going to explain sums based on area of square and area of perimeter. Okay, children. Children, in 10.2, exercise 10.2, children, I told you first and second problems in previous class, and today I would like to tell you from third sum onwards. That is, the area of rectangular frame is the area of rectangular frame. The area of rectangular frame is 1.125 square centimeters. Is 1.125 square centimeters. If its width is 25 centimeters. 25 centimeters. What is its length? What is its length? Children, so this is the problem. Now children, very clear, rectangular frame. Okay, area of rectangular frame. Just draw roughly rectangular frame. Okay, therefore given, what is given, children? Area of rectangle equal to how much given, children? 1125 square centimeters. Now width how much given, children? Width. So this is RBR, breadth or width. Okay, equal to how much? 25 centimeters. Then what is length? You have to find out, children. Length. What is length? What is length, children? So now very clear. Length. Then this what? Area equal to L cross B. What is area is given here, children? The area of rectangle equal to L into B. Now area how much given here? 1125 equal to L into B. What is B here? 25 centimeters. Now L equal to what, children? For example, 1125 square centimeters by 25 centimeters. Then you find out, children, what is the answer you get? 1125, simple here. 1125 into 20 by 25, 25 for the 100, children. So 5, 2, 1, 25 5 are 125, children. So the answer is 45 centimeters. 45 centimeters is the length of the rectangular frame. Okay, children? Understood? Yes. Next, one more sum, children. Okay. So the second sum, children. See, the length of a rectangular field is 60 meters and breadth is half of its length. So very simple and very clear also. The length of a rectangular frame field is 20 meters. Okay, the length of a rectangular field is 20 meters. 60 meters and breadth is half of its length, and find the area of the field, children. So the length of a rectangular field equal to solution. Fourth sum, children, the length of a rectangular field. The length of a rectangular field is equal to how much, children? 60 meters by problem. As per the problem is given. Now breadth of the field. So children, we know very well. What is length is given here? Breadth of the field, how much given children? Breadth of the field, breadth is half of its length. So breadth of the field equal to how much? BREADH, breadth of a field equal to how much children? 60 by 2, because half of its length, no? Because half of its length. Half of its length is what? 230. Okay, equal to 30 centimeters. Now we got length of the rectangular field 60 meters, and also breadth of the rectangular field we got 30 centimeters. Now area of the rectangular field equal to area of the rectangular field equal to that is L into B. That is L is how much children here? 60 into 30. Equal to how much children? How much answer? 60 into 30 how much? 800 square centimeters. This is the area of the rectangular field. Okay. Understood children? Very clear? As for the problem, length is given. As for the problem, breadth of the rectangular field equal to half of the length of its side, 60 by 20 equal to 30 centimeters. Then area equal to L into B. Then you substitute the L and B values in the equation, you get the answer. Okay. Now children, once again, problem number 5. A square sheet of paper. Problem number 5, just already solution only. You can see the question from textbook. Okay, page number that is 142 page number. All systems are 142 page number. Solution 5. Now, let the side of the square sheet of paper equal to, let the side of it, let the side of it of this square sheet of paper equal to x centimeters, because we have to take x. Perimeter of the sheet of paper. Perimeter of the sheet of paper. Perimeter square how much children? You know 4 into x equal to 4x centimeters. 4x by problem, you know very well. By problem, 4x equal to 40. X equal to 40 by 4 equal to 10 centimeters. Now we got 10. X value is 10 centimeters. Okay. Now side of the square sheet of paper equal to 10 centimeters. Area of the sheet of paper how much children? Area of the sheet of paper. Equal to, you know, x into x, that is what? 10 centimeters into 10 centimeters equal to 100 square centimeters. 100 square centimeters. Therefore, area of sheet of paper equal to 100 square centimeters. Therefore, area of the sheet of the paper equal to 100 square centimeters. So, like this, we have to calculate the area of the sheet of paper, children. This is question number 5. Now let us see the question number 6. Question number 6, children. You know, the area of a rectangular plot 2400 square meters and its length is 1.5 times of its breadth. What is the perimeter? So children, area of rectangular plot is 2400 square meters and the sides are in ratio 3:2. Sides are in the ratio 3:2. Of course 3:2 not the children here. Only The area of the rectangle plot is 24 square meters and its length is 1.5 times of its breadth. What is the perimeter? Very direct answer, children. Simple answer here. First of all, you know very well the area of rectangle plot. So just roughly rectangle plot I am drawing here. Therefore A equal to 2400 square centimeters, square meters. Now its length is 1.5 times of its breadth. So length is asked, breadth, let breadth of a rectangular field is equal to x meters. Okay. Now length equal to how much? Length of a rectangle equal to 1.5 times into x. That means what? 3 by 2 into x equal to how much? 3x by 2 meters. 3x by 2 meters. Okay. 3x by 2 meters. Now perimeter equal to P of rectangle equal to 2 into L plus B by the children. So 2400 2 into L, how much children here? 3x by 2 plus x. 2400 equal to what? 2 into 5x by 2. Generally you can take 1 is what? Okay. 2 is LCM. 3x plus 2x. 3x plus 2x by 2 equal to 5x by 2. 5x by 2. Okay. Now 10x by 2 replies 5x by 2. Now next I am children here, look at here. 2 into 5x by 2 equal to 2400. 2 1 ja 2 12. Next 10x equal to 1200. X equal to 1200 by 10. 10 1 ja 10. 120 equal to x equal to 120. That means what children? X equal to 120. X, what is x here? Breadth. X equal to 1 means what? Therefore breadth equal to 120 meters. And then what about length? So length equal to 3x by 2 children. 3 into 120 by 2. 2 1 ja 260 equal to how much? 180 meters children. So breadth is 120 meters and length is 180 meters children. Okay. Hope you understand. Please all of you do the sums up to sixth sum from exercise 10.2. Okay. 10.3, 4, 5, 6. 4 sums I explained children. Okay. You can go through this procedure and answer the remaining sums. If you know, you can do it in classwork. Otherwise, let you explain next week. Next week means what children? On Thursday, I'll explain the remaining sums. Okay, if you don't know, leave it. If you know, you can do it. Okay, thank you and have a nice day. Hope you understand.